Did you know that on average, employees spend nearly 20% of their time every week digging through SharePoint, Notion, and email just to find one verified answer? That's what we call a search tax. Think about your company's shared inbox or shared workspace, where critical deadlines and requirements are siloed across internal documents, RFPs, long threads with attachments. And the problem is that other AI platforms companies use can make it even worse. They require you to buy a vector database, parse PDFs, Excels, Word files, and scrape websites yourself. And the thing is, it requires developers and can take a lot of time. But with StackAI, our no-code AI agent builder, you can just drag and drop files, select URLs, and pick documents from SharePoint, Google Drive, Confluence, Notion, and over 100 native integrations. And then instantly create a fully automated live knowledge base. And the best part is you don't just move files around. You sync your knowledge base to track changes in real time. Let me show you how it works. With one click, I connect StackAI to my accounts, selecting exactly the threads and folders the agent should track. Clarification, requests, mandatory attachments, updated scope docs. It understands structure, dates, permissions, and recency of your files, staying continuously up to date. Just think about it. Legal updates a policy, scope changes, your AI agent reflects it immediately. And this is exactly where RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, comes in. Agents built on StackAI don't guess. They use RAG to retrieve fresh, domain-specific information at interference time directly from your system of records. Let's ask our agent, what's the submission deadline for the Acme RFP? And instantly, it finds the latest email thread with a clickable citation to the source. Alright, and what changed in Scope version 2? No scrolling, no guessing, and every answer is auditable, traceable, and safe to use in highly regulated environments. StackAI includes version control, audit logs, approval flows, with role-based access control, ensuring users only see what they're authorized to access. Finally, we hit export and deploy it as a chatbot, a web app, or directly into Microsoft Teams or Slack, so your teams can get answers right inside systems where they already work. One-click RAG now powers customer support, RFPs, HR, legal, compliance, internal research, and so much more. With over 100 native integrations and knowledge bases, StackAI turns scattered enterprise data into infinite institutional memory with instant access. And StackAI is the only product on the market that does all of this in one place. No developer keys, no custom pipelines, just click connect and your AI agent is fully in sync.